In a compact kitchen, a humble toaster becomes a clever ally, turning everyday scraps into three surprising meals. First, shredded vegetables from yesterday's lunch meet a touch of cheese, forming crispy veggie bites on warm toast. Second, scraps of stale bread mingle with tomato paste and herbs to create a tiny sunlit crostini, perfectly seasoned. Third, a sweet hint arrives when citrus zest and apple cores caramelize, offering a tiny dessert toast that cheers the plate. These quick transformations demonstrate how a simple appliance plus mindful scraps can compost into nourishment.